Choose which one of the 50 skills best suits you. Construction and building technology. Concrete construction work. Do you know what a concrete construction worker does? Professionals interpret technical drawings, organize, measure, build, and finish frames for high-standard concrete. They mark and cut out metal and wood pieces according to the engineering project. Professionals must build the frames, attaching the metal hardware and fixing brackets. Professionals must be organized and capable of managing their own work, and have concentration skills and be detail-oriented. They must master technical safety standards and know how to communicate with other workers clearly and effectively. They must know how to quickly solve problems with creativity and innovation. Professionals can work in any construction industry segment, working on buildings, roads, bridges, and houses. A professional working with this skill receives 1,990 reais a month on average after 1 year of experience. And they may also specialize as metalworkers, carpenters, and building technicians. Would you like to discover more occupations? Access www.worldskillsaopaulo2015.com and choose your skill.